This is fit for a 2018 and beyond Volkswagen Atlas with factory installed raised side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule EVO raised rail WingBar EVO base roof rack system. The system is using the WingBar EVO load bars in black, 53 inches in length, the EVO raised rail foot pack, which connects to the raised rails with rubberized boots to protect and provide grip. Crossbars here are at 31 inches from front to rear, center to center. The maximum crossbar spacing is up to 57 inches. The maximum weight carrying capacity is 220 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when in this particular position. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.